As we enter 2014, the Dow and the Nasdaq are sitting at all-time highs. But investors are still nervous. Did the markets come back too quickly? Do investors feel more secure? Although the markets are at an all-time high, these are turbulent times. Even 6 years after the financial crisis of 2008, we still don't know whether or when our economy will return to normal.
These days, it's hard to find a good return. Checking accounts pay almost nothing, and bank CDs barely offer 1%. 1%? I don't think so.
Making money in real estate used to be easier. But since the mortgage crisis, things have really changed.
I thought gold was safe, but from September 2011 to September 2013, I've lost 25% of my gold portfolio.
The golden age of stock investing might soon be over. In the 2013 investor issue of Money Magazine, PIMCO's Bill Gross and GMO's Jeremy Grantham warned of below-average returns in the stock market over the next few years or even decades.
If the experts are warning of lower stock market returns, where should I put my money?
My U.S. Treasuries aren't even keeping pace with inflation. What's going to happen when the Fed pulls out and stops buying bonds? Will the bubble finally burst?
The stock market makes me nervous. It's too much of a roller coaster. Stocks can offer nice returns when things are good, but you can lose it all in a single day. It's like gambling.
Things are more uncertain today than they were in the past. And we feel that way because we're still recovering from the trauma of 2008.
With stocks at an all-time high, are the global markets going to crash again?
My 401k invested in mutual funds, and I still have not recovered from 2008. Every time I open my statement, I'm getting feed to death. Where should I invest my retirement money?
Before 2008, I thought my diversification provided safety, but I was dead wrong. The stock market crash pulled down my entire portfolio.
What if there was an alternative to this uncertainty? What if your financial advisor showed you the perfect alternative investment? An investment that has no correlation to the stock, bond, or real estate markets, and it's not affected by global crises. An alternative investment offering double-digit annual returns while keeping your principal safe.
I read that alternative investments are one of the fastest growing segments in today's financial world.
Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway invested $60 million into this asset class in July of 2013. When I invest, I like following the smart money.
I've heard of this asset class. Isn't it backed by some of the largest and financially stable companies in the U.S.?
Originally designed for institutional Wall Street investors, this alternative investment is now available to qualified investors in California seeking double-digit returns with no stock market risk.
I like this alternative investment because it gives me peace of mind. I like being able to sleep at night without worrying about my money.
My advisor told me that this investment is highly regulated by California law for the protection of California investors like me.
This is how the smart money makes money.
Find out how institutional investors like Warren Buffett have quietly earned double-digit annual returns with no stock market risk. Now, qualified individual investors in California can profit just like institutional Wall Street investors have done for the past decade. Call the financial advisor who sent you this video to discover how the smart money makes money.